How does Oatchi's doggy paddling work in Pikmin 4? Imagine a scene where a helpful companion is navigating through water with ease, using a technique that seems simple yet is quite effective. In Pikmin 4, Oatchi, the loyal dog-like helper, demonstrates a unique method of moving through water known as doggy paddling. This movement is designed to help Oatchi traverse aquatic environments efficiently while also assisting players in exploring areas that are otherwise difficult to access. Oatchi's doggy paddling is a natural motion that mimics the real-life swimming technique used by dogs when they are in water. When Oatchi encounters a body of water, the game triggers an animation sequence where Oatchi begins to paddle with his front legs, keeping his body close to the surface. This paddling motion involves alternating strokes with the front limbs, which propels him forward in a steady, controlled manner. The animation is smooth and realistic, emphasizing Oatchi's agility and adaptability. The mechanics behind this movement are programmed to respond to the environment. When Oatchi is in shallow water, he will often walk along the bottom, but as the depth increases, the game switches to the paddling animation. This transition is seamless, allowing Oatchi to continue moving without interruption. The paddling motion is also influenced by the player's commands, such as directing Oatchi to move in specific directions or to follow a particular path. This technique is not only functional but also adds a layer of realism to the gameplay. It showcases Oatchi's natural instincts and training, making him appear more lifelike and capable of handling diverse terrains. The paddling motion is also designed to conserve energy, enabling Oatchi to maintain movement over longer distances in water without becoming overly exhausted. In summary, Oatchi's doggy paddling in Pikmin 4 is a carefully animated and mechanically responsive movement that allows him to navigate aquatic environments effectively. It combines realistic motion with responsive controls, enhancing both the immersion and utility of Oatchi as a helpful companion during exploration.